Welcome. If you're tired of tapping display images every time you open an email in the Gmail app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to always display external images automatically in your Gmail app, so you never miss out on important visuals or graphics in your emails. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. If you have multiple email accounts added to your Gmail app, you'll see them listed here. Tap the email account where you want to enable this setting. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Images. This might be under a heading like Data Usage, so keep an eye out as you scroll. Once you see the Images option, tap on it. 2 choices will appear. Ask before displaying external images and Always display external images. Select Always display external images. That's it. From now on, Gmail will automatically show images in your emails without asking you each time. This small change can make your inbox more visually engaging and save you those extra taps, especially if you receive newsletters, promotional emails, or messages with important graphics. Just a quick note. If Gmail detects a suspicious sender or message, it may still block images for your safety, but for most emails, your images will load instantly. Thanks for following along. Now you can enjoy a smoother, more colorful Gmail experience every time you open your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most out of your email.